If you own the eufyMake E1 UV printer or have been thinking about getting one, but you're a little bit worried about the smell that comes with UV printing, eufyMake now has two different solutions depending on where you have your printer set up. We have the exhaust fan kit, which vents the air outside the window. So you will need a window for this or a door, something to vent the air outside. And then we also have the Purifier P1. With this one, you do not need a window. I've been testing both of these out with my eufyMake E1, and for today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the process on how to install them, how they actually work, and how loud they are, and most importantly, which one of these would make the most sense for your craft area. Before we get started, if you're new here, hello, my name is Michelle, and I am the creator behind LilyRoseCraftroom. And here on this channel, we do a lot of fun stuff here. We do laser cutting and engraving, we do embroidery, UV printing. So if you guys are into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you guys don't miss out on any new videos. All right, let's get started. Now, if you guys have done UV printing before, then you probably know what I'm talking about when I say that there is a very distinct smell when you're printing. And I do want to make something very clear. This is not about saying that the eufyMake E1 is unsafe to use without these accessories. According to eufyMake's testing, the E1 is already within safe emission limits when used with proper ventilation. These products are actually about adding another layer of comfort, especially if you're sensitive to smells or are working like in a smaller craft area. There's also another layer of peace of mind when it comes to things you're actually printing. Finished objects printed with the E1 meet Green Guard Gold standards, which are designed for more sensitive indoor environments like schools, hospitals, and homes. So these new accessories are helping what UV printer owners notice, the odor. So in order to use the exhaust fan kit, your eufyMake E1 needs to be near a window or somewhere where you have access to the outside because it attaches a duct where it's going to redirect the fumes and the odor outside. Okay, so really quickly before we install it, I wanted to show you what's inside the box of the exhaust fan kit. So these are all the accessories. This is the exhaust duct cover. This is the exhaust fan. And what's really cool about this one is that like if you have limited space, you can hang this up on the wall. So it has like an area. And it comes with like the mounting hardware where, I mean, if you wanted to, you can install it on the wall or you can leave it on the table, whatever works best for you. And then we have the exhaust hose. This is the one that's going to go outside. And this is 9 feet long. We're going to take off this front panel and we are going to take out this air filter that it has in here. And next we're going to install the exhaust duct in like this. We just push it in. So one thing I truly like and I appreciate is that it's not just a regular generic fan that you're hooking up to the machine. This is specifically built for the eufyMake E1. So we still have our logo here and it's still gonna look really nice. See, it just clicks right into place. Okay, so next we're going to be connecting the smaller hose to the side of the face right here. And one thing you do want to keep an eye on is the arrows that it's pointing. So it says airflow is going that way. So we have our hose right here and the airflow is pointing that way. So we're gonna, keep the arrows going that way. So we have our little thing right here. The other side looks like this. So we're just going to connect it right here. We're going to put it at an angle like this and then snap it into place. Okay, so next we're going to be connecting the hose to the air exhaust fan. And again, keep an eye on the arrows. The airflow is going that way. So again, we are going to just put this at an angle and snap it into place and it should click. Okay, next we have our longer tube and that's going to connect to the other side of the air exhaust. So again, put it at an angle and it snaps into place. And then now we can vent it out the window. This is how I have my exhaust fan kit out the window. I have it all hooked up and here it is. It's being pinched right here by the door so it can't go nowhere. And also if you wanted to, you could just throw it more out the window just like that and kind of close it up a little bit more if you wanted to. But this is how I have mine set up. So next right here, we connect the power. And then when you start to print, you just turn it on. And there is 3 different modes. There's low, medium, and high. And then also I want to know if you have air coming through these hoses, you did it wrong. So I previously did it and then I had to re-record it because I realized I did it wrong. I connected this hose to the other side so the air was blowing in here and I was like, what is going on? So I figured out that I had connected it wrong. So make sure when you're connecting the air exhaust kit, follow the arrows, and the airflow is going out that way, out the window. All right, so now that we have everything connected, we have a pathway from the E1 to the outside. So we have the fumes and the odor going out the window. And also too, I want to mention that this exhaust fan, if you don't have enough room on your table, it can be mounted. It comes with, right here, it comes with a mounting kit. So you can hang it on the wall or wherever if you don't have room on your table. And it's not that loud. So Eufy says that it can go as low as 40 decibels. I don't have a meter to show that, but I will take off my mic and I will put it near there so we can hear that it's not that loud. So right now it's at volume 1. Where's it coming from? Right here? It's really low. So having like a small craft room, I don't want to have a lot of noise in here, and this is not that bad. So we're gonna go to volume 2. But even that, I can handle that. It's not bad. So having the exhaust fan running while you're printing will not affect your prints at all. And also to me personally, I would use low medium when I'm printing with the doors closed. But if I'm printing with doors open, I'm going to crank it up to level high. That way I get all the odor, all the fumes out the window. Having that air exhaust fan, I don't smell anything at all. So I can tell this is working really, really well. All right, so now that we know the air exhaust kit works really good, even with the doors open, let's try out the P1 air purifier, see how well that one works. All right, so this one right here is the P1 air purifier. And this one would be your best bet if the eufyMake E1 is not near a window or there's not a convenient way to vent out the air. So this is where the P1 would come in handy. All right, now let me show you how to connect the P1 air purifier to the eufyMake E1. And a good thing to know about this air purifier is that it has 6 layers of active carbon. So that means it could trap more of the TVOC molecules rather than just letting them slip by. So when we open the top, we're going to pull out this filter. And look how big it is. This is 6 layers, like I said, of active carbon. So I'm gonna put it right here. And the same way that we took it out is the same way we're gonna put it in. And if you get confused, there's a little arrow right here that shows you that that is the back part. Okay, so we're just gonna remove this plastic. And then next, we're just going to slip that back in the same way that we pulled it out. All right, and then we're going to put that lid back on. All right, so now the same way how we installed the air exhaust kit, we're going to take off this front panel. And we are going to take out this air filter that it has in here. And next we're going to install the exhaust duct in like this. You just push it in. And then we put on this fancy cover. Just like that. Okay, next we're gonna install the hose to right here. And honestly, this one doesn't really matter. So we're just going to install it like this until it clicks, just like that. And then install the other side to the back side of the P1. Okay, and then realistically, I'll probably put my air filter under the table. That way I have more room here on the table. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna keep it on the table. Another cool thing about the P1 Purifier is that you're able to control it through the eufyMake app. So there's a couple different modes. There is the auto mode, silent mode, high mode, and a full power mode and a standby mode. My favorite feature that I like about it is the auto mode because I don't want another thing that I have to constantly remember to adjust the fan speed and everything. The auto mode takes care of it for me. So when I start printing on the E1, the P1 will automatically turn on and adjust the speed according to what it's printing. And then when it's done printing, the P1 automatically shuts off and it goes into a silent mode, so you don't have to remember to turn it off. And then also when it's in the silent mode, it keeps on filtering the gases and the odor out. So it's constantly working. So once everything is like all connected and everything, and if you're on auto mode, there's really nothing left for you to do. It just does everything by itself. I have been using both of these for a while now, and to be honest, both of them work really, really good. When I'm printing, I don't smell a thing. Even when I have the doors open, I still don't smell anything. So the filtration on both of these It's working really good to vent the fumes and the odor out. There is a price difference on these currently, depending on when you're watching this. The air exhaust kit is $179 on sale, and then the P1 is currently on sale for $629. And while the sale is running, you get a free air filter. So you get another big 6-layer filter. And then also on top of that, if you use code LilyRoseCraftroom Air, you get an additional 10% off these accessories. So for me, I personally like the P1. Even though I have a window here, I feel like for me, it's just more convenient that I have this one right here under the table. And like I said, I do love the auto feature. So when that is on, I don't have to do anything. When it starts printing, it turns on. And then when it's done, it turns off for me. So that one is huge for me. I have also used the air exhaust fan and I vented out the window. Even though I have a window here, it's just easier having the automatic feature here. I already have forgotten to turn off the air exhaust kit after it's done printing. So I hear it running like, oh shoot, I forgot to turn it off. So I just turn it off. All right, that is it for today's video. If you guys are interested in these new accessories, make sure to check out the link down in the description below. And like I said, this sale is only going to be for a limited time, so make sure you get it while it's there. And also remember to use code LilyRoseCraftroom Air. I don't know when that code is going to expire, so make sure you use it right away. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!